How to change Roblox keyboard controls. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll address your queries regarding altering the Roblox keyboard controls and the possibility of doing so. When you enter an experience and pause the game by hitting escape, you will encounter two relevant options for confirming and adjusting the controls. Under the help section, you can find the default keybinds for the reference on how to navigate, equip items, and perhaps the basic game controls. Clicking on any of these options will only display information without allowing you to make changes. While you can use this to understand the functions of each keyboard button in relation to Roblox, you cannot modify them here. Regarding settings, the only option concerning keyboard controls is the movement mode, where you can switch between the default keyboard, click to move, or keyboard and mouse mode. Currently, these seem to be the only choices available in Roblox settings. As of now, is it feasible to customize keybinds? For instance, changing the video recording key from F12 to F10, unfortunately, Roblox has not provided flexibility to alter the keyboard controls or keybinds at will. It is a glaring omission considering its fundamental nature, but as of today, changing the settings within the Roblox is not an option. The sole relevant choice remains the movement mode. The intention of this video is not to misinform, but to inform viewers that for reasons unknown, Roblox has not incorporated the ability to modify the keyboard controls, unless a future update addresses this. Players will have to adhere to the default keybinds, and if this video has clarified any uncertainties, please consider liking and subscribing for more straightforward tips and tutorials. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.